Hi, this foam roller exercise is going to target your IT band. So to target your IT band, you're going to lay on your side and you're going to place the foam roller underneath your lower leg. The top leg, your knee is going to be bent, foot is going to be on the ground in front of you. Placing your hands on the ground, you're going to roll on the outside of your leg up to your knee and then roll all the way down the length of your IT band until you hit your hip bone. So again, rolling up and down on the outside of your leg. Complete about 10 to 15 repetitions of this, up and down all the way through the length of the IT band. And remember to change sides. So flipping around, top leg goes over the bottom, foam roller gets placed over the center of the IT band, hands are on the ground in front of you, rolling up and down along the length of the IT band.